My dear students, how are you all? I hope that all of you are safe and sound and enjoying good health and also enjoying the summer vacation break. So boys, today we are going to attempt the question answers. So classwork, topic, elements and compounds, subtopic, metals and non-metals that you have learned in the previous lesson tutorial. Textbook page 52, questions 1 to 5 that you have to attempt in your notebooks by drawing the relative diagrams. Your SLO is student learning outcome. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to write the answers to given questions independently as well as in individual handwriting. Okay, boys, let's start question answers. Question number 1 on textbook page 52. What is the simplest way of classifying elements? So boys, page number 51. The simplest way of classifying the elements is by dividing them into metals and non-metals. Now question number 2, part A. What does malleable mean? Answer on page number 51 given in the table. Malleable mean the metal can easily be bent. Question 2, part B. Name a malleable element. Any metal can be a malleable element. For example, steel, iron, silver. Boys. Now boys, question number 3, part A. What does snorus mean? The answer on page number 51 given in the table. Snorus mean when you hit any metal, it produces a ringing like sound. Part B. Name a snorus element. Metal, when you will hit it and it will produce a snorus like sound, ringing sound. It is called a snorus metal. For example, iron, steel, copper or silver. Now let's come on question number 4. Describe a method for testing whether an element is a metal or a non-metal. As your science teacher has prescribed you in the previous lesson about metals and non-metals, that if you will conduct electricity through a metal and it will conduct the electricity, it is a metal. But if it will not conduct the electricity, it is a non-metal or an insulator. Now boys, it's the last question, question number 5. A student was testing an unknown element to see if it was a metal or non-metal. The element was solid, dull in appearance, very brittle and conducted electricity. Do you think this element was a metal or a non-metal? As your science teacher, she has already taught you about the physical properties of metals as well as non-metals. So you should think about which kind of metal it would be. So boys, you can see in the question they have mentioned dull in appearance, very brittle and conduct electricity. So I think it is a iron, because iron, when you will put it for a long period of time in a place, it will react with the air as well as the water vapors and become rusty and corrode. It is brittle first when it will not react with air and water vapors. It also conducts the electricity, and according to me, this element or a metal is a iron. Thank you so much boys. If you have any problem, any difficulty in writing and attempting the answers of these questions 1 to 5, you can ask me. I am available for you here. Best luck, Hafiz.